Yo, what's up guys, Jack here. Today we are going to be building a Lego section. Enjoy!